Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine. So here we have a summary video for question number practice book question number 16, chapter number 2, page number 100 and 24. So as you can see here, 4 by 5 of the rectangle on the right shaded. This right is shaded. Okay. So this one is shaded. How many extra square units you must add must be shaded to increase this fraction by 5 by 6. So if we want to make it same, so what we need to do, the 4 by 5 shaded rectangle is put. Okay, now first of all, from here to here, we have two things here. Here is 40 by 30 because here is already mentioned here. So what we need to do here, we need to simply, we know this, we have 40 as well as 30, so we just first of all multiply it. Okay, later we see, look at it. So we will get 1200 so unit square. So means if we put 1200 unit square, so this area have 1200 unit squares and that given. Now what we need to do, here we have 4 by 5 and then we will multiply with 1200 squares. So we need to find the percentage as well. Okay, and when I multiply this, I will get my answer. 4 by 5, that is equal to 960. Okay, means 960 squares that are shaded as compared out of 1200. Same like this one, I'm talking about 5 by 6. I just multiply 5 by 6 of mean multiply 1200, so I will get 1000 shaded. Okay, so we need to add 40 more. Okay, so if we shade 40 more unit square, so we will get our answer. So we said like that for 5 by 6, if we shade it, if I want to shade 5 by 6, so I just need to color 40 more square units, then my answer will be 5 by 6 as compared to 4 by 5. Now same as it is, for 4 by 5 shaded rectangle is put next to the congruent of the rectangle 2 by 3. So here we have 2 by 3 of the shade. So what we need to do, what fraction of the resulting large rectangle is shaded? Okay, this large rectangle. Okay, say put next to the congruent rectangle of this one. Okay, this will be same as it is. Okay, but here it is 40, so it's mean it's 80, and this one is 30, so 80 multiplied by 30. So what fraction of the resulting large rectangle is shaded? So let's see, look at it. 960 is shaded on the first rectangle as we find here. Okay, so 2 by 3 of 1200 is the same like this because we put the same, so that is equal to 800. Okay, shaded of the second rectangle, so we need to add the fraction of the whole of the things as we told you before, that is equal to 24 because 80 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 24. Or you can say 1200 plus 1200. Okay, that is equal to 2400. 960 plus 800, that is equal to 1760. So once we simplify, we will get answer, that is 11 by 15. That is shaded area of the two rectangles that we put together. Third one, how many square units is needed to shade it to increase the fraction that are exactly 3 by 4 of the large. So this all is 24 because 40 is here, 40 is here, so it's mean it's equal to, it's also equal 40 and 40, so that is equal to 80. So 80 multiplied by, you say like this, so it's equal to 2400. So this 2400 we just simply multiply with 2 by 4. Okay, sorry, 3 by 4. Important ruler. Who's the ruler? Like a king. 4. Okay, so 4 6 times equal to 600. Okay, 600 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 1800. So our answer will be 1800. Okay, but here what is our answer? Look at here. Here answer will be this answer will be 1800. So we need to scale. Here is 800. Here is 960. So 900 that is 1760. So we need 40 more square units needed to get 3 by 4 of this answer. I hope you understand. That's easy one. Now let's come to the next question. Here we have question number 17. A young boy used his calculator, work out 6 divided by 0.6, and it is surprised that he will get the bigger answer. So he tries 6 divided by 0, but and does not understand why it won't tell him the answer. How could you explain the answer? Remember this thing. Whenever you divide 0, okay, so 0 make any answer that is infinity. Okay, its answer will be infinity, infinite. Okay, we will not write anywhere. So here you can mention here like this one, because 0.5 is 1 by 2, so 2 is going up, so that's why it's double. So this will show always error. Okay, there is a link between 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay, and 5 multiplied by 4 equal to 20 means divide, opposite of divide will be multiply, and opposite of multiply will be divide. Same like this, 0.5 6 divided by 0.5 is equal to x, means the x is 0.5 multiplied by x equal to 6. So it is clear that x is equal to 12, but 0 divided by 6 divided by 0 equal to y, means 0 multiplied by y equal to 6. So whenever we multiply this, okay, so it is not possible to multiply 0 by something and to get the answer of 6. So 6 divided by 0 does not have any answer, because if you multiply 0 any number, it will be 0 obviously. Okay, so there is no need to get answer, because it's an infinite error. This will show error always. Okay, question number 18. Average size roll of a toilet paper is 10.5, you can see here. Mm. And diameter will be 12 centimeters. The hole in the center has a diameter is 5, and a good quality paper have a thickness is 0.5, and each sheet is 10 centimeters long. A company advertised her toilet roll as the best on the market. With each roll containing at least 200 good quality sheets. Is their claim true? So what we need to do? Yeah, first of all, question number 18. We know the thickness of the paper is 0.5 millimeter, and sent one paper, once you cut it, it will be 10 centimeter. Okay, so if we are talking about radius of hole is 6, and radius of small is 2.5 centimeter. Now, first of all, we need to find the area as well as area of both these things. Okay, area of the hole and area of the roll. Okay, first area of the roll complete pi r square. So pi is pi, r square is 6, 6 square is 36. Okay, minus pi r square of this one. Why we do minus? Because in this hole there is no paper. Okay, toilet papers. So what we need to do here, we just minus this, we will get our answer. And then what we need to do here, this one sheet is 10. 10 multiplied by 0 0.0. Why 0 0.0? Because it's a millimeter. If I convert into centimeters, so I must write as 0 0.05 millimeter centimeter. Sorry. So centimeter must be, unit must be same. Here is millimeter and here is centimeter. So I must change this millimeter into centimeter. I just multiply and get the area of this rectangle. 10 multiplied by 0.05. So I will get the area of this one is 0.5. Later, what we need to do, this answer, okay, this is the answer of, this is the area of the sheets only. Okay, this sheet divided by the area of the other one. Why we divide? We want to get either it's a 200 or exactly 200 or not sheets. Once we divide this, we will get answer that is 186.94, means 187. There are 100 because no one can calculate it. So with the help of this, you can calculate it easily. So we can calculate the number of toilet papers are 187. That is the way. If you want to find, this is just toilet paper, they give you the example, but actually there are many things. Okay, this means there are approximately 187 sheets on the roll. We cannot tell whether it is exactly because the sheet might be compressed when they are rolled up. Yes, there are another chances. Maybe it's 200 complete, but sometimes they just compress the roll, so there are 200 sheets. Then they must be slightly thinner. So then they are not a high quality as a claim. So there are two core possibility. Either they compress it, so that's why they put 200 sheets. Otherwise, otherwise the sheet will be thinner. Okay. Without his, yes, yes. So he called his advisor, Mr. Charles. Now here we have the patient. I think tan theta, tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. Yes, using the value of this table, decided whether the practice is correct or not. Sine divided by cos, so 0 divided by 1 equal to 0. His counselor was horrified. He was horrified, meaning he has cough now. He had never had a deal with situation like this. Now before. Here we have here we have 0 because tan is equal to sine divided by cos. Okay, here I put 0. Really now next place, if I divide these two numbers, okay, let's suppose I divide here. Okay, then think of something. Let's suppose this is a divide sign. 1 divided by 2 and 3 under root 3 divided by 2. So this will cancel with this one. So what is our answer? Our answer will be 1 divided by under root 3. Same as it is. If I divide here as it is same. So this 2, no, this odd, sorry, this odd cancel with this odd. So what is our answer? 1. Now if the same thing I divide here, okay, these two cancel these two. So under root 3, so I write here under root 3. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Divided by 1. So it's, if you write 1 or not, it's no problem. 1 divided by 0, that is equal to infinity. Okay, it's an infinity signs like this. Let's see what is its answer, because 0 is in the undefined. Okay, infinity means undefined. So you can see here all answer will be same. This one is under 3, this one is 1, this one is 1 over under 3, this one is 0. Then he thinks something. Okay, so as it is same, you just need to do this question. So let's see what he write here. In the rectangle triangle, sine theta is equal to opposite and the hypotenuse means perpendicular over base and hypotenuse sorry perpendicular over hypotenuse and base over hypotenuse. Okay, this means that once you put together you will get your answer, that is perpendicular over base, that is your tan. Okay, remember this thing, that is important thing he just explained now. Now here we have another examples. Okay, in this diagram, that is the diagram of a circle. Okay, so what we need to do here, we just need in this diagram, AC is the diameter of a circles and AD is equal to BC. Yes. Okay, right. Show that the quadrilateral triangle ABC is a ABCD is a rectangle. So obviously it's a rectangle. So the doctors gave him. Okay, let's see what he write here. Yeah. Look at here. First of all, this one is equal to 90 degree. A, B, C, or A, D, C. That is equal to 90 degree. Okay. AD and BC are equal. We know this one. Okay, AD and DC is also equal. AC is the common of both triangles. Okay, and this hypotenuse. Okay, the right hand side triangle, ABC or CG are congruent. Congruent means same. This side and this side are same. This means that BAC and DAC, CDA. If you add all these numbers, okay, you will get your answer that is equal to 90, because this one is 45, this one is also 45. So you will get your answer that is equal to 90 degree. But DCB is equal to 90 and DAB is equal to 90 as well. Okay, so all the four side is equal to 90 degree. Okay, because here is also 45, here is also 45, here is also 45, here is also. So once we add all this and it's equal to 360 though, so that's why we say this will equal to, it's a quadrilateral ABC rectangle. So that is the correct answer. 21. 21, trapezium is an inscribed circle. So you can see trapezium that is inside the circle. Okay, and inscribe, why inscribe? Inscribe means inside the circle. BOC, B, O, and C. BOC is 50 degree and AOC is 75 degree. Calculate the size of COD. COD also will be 75, because this side, and no, not 75. This one is equal to 180. Okay, straight line. So 180 minus 75, that will be, if it's B E, 1 minute. 75 is EOB. Yeah, 75. So COD is also 75. Let's see. Look at it. If this one is 75, this one is 50. Okay, so what is the angle of this one? Okay, so what we need to do here, you just minus this off. Okay. So total we know that is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so O, C, and B, OCB and OBC. Okay, that is equal to 180 minus 50. Okay, because total will be, it's a triangle, total will be 180. So 180 minus 150, that is equal to 65. So not 65, 130 divided by 2, it's 65. So this side is also 65, so we call it this side. This is 65, and this is also 65. Okay, now we find this. Now here we have 75 and minus 180. Why minus 180? Because sum of triangle is equal to 180 divided by 2, that's 52.5 here. So I write here 52.5 here, and the same thing I write here. Now CBA, C, B, and A. CBA, once we add 65, okay, okay, because B and these two angles we are adding. Okay, so I get 170. Okay, minus 180, because sum of triangle is equal to 180. So that is equal to 62.5. 62.5 minus 52, that is equal to 10. And 10 we multiply by 2, it's equal to 20. So 180 by 20, that is equal to 160. 160. Now simple way, look at here, 360, 360, that is the sum of this, and this. Okay, that is equal to 360. This one 50. Okay, this one 75. Okay, so minus 160. 160
Roar
Okay,
basically we call the
minus
sound of
160
mind
equal
when
to,
he speaks, right? So he speaks as in a very
what
loud
is the
voice.
answer? That is your,
So you have got one motive like this with an angry man
COD.
with a loud voice. So we can say
Okay,
it's also
COD. So
roaring.
we need to find
So
this
don't you
side.
understand that I am
Okay, this
bored?
side. Okay, so
I
what
want
we need to
something
do,
new
360 divided
by
by
tomorrow
50
or else.
minus 75 minus 160, that we
So
get from here.
the counselor was
AOD.
terrified, that he was
AOD,
so
that is equal
frightened.
to 180, because
The
20
night
degree we
wore
just
on,
minus,
and the
because this
poor
one is will
counselor
be
didn't sleep
minus
at
degree. Okay,
all.
so
At
this will equal
last,
to
the first
160, so we will
rays of
get
the
our answer
morning
75.
sun
As I told you in the
crept
start, this side will
through
be
his
same like
window.
this side, so it must be
The counselor's
75.
eyes were
Now
wet
B
for
part is,
2 days,
what does this tell about the trapezium
and
of ABD?
as the light
So this will tell us
touched the
about it,
teardrops
O, A, O, B, O, C,
on
O,
his
D, because of they all
eyelashes,
have the radius
suddenly a
of a
brilliant
circle, so that the
rainbow
side angle
appeared
side,
before his
SAS means side
eyes.
angle side, the
Wow!
triangle of COD
And
is
that's
congruent.
it.
Congruent
He
means same
sat up in the
as
bed,
AOB. This means CD
recited
is equal to
Nunu.
AB, and ABC is a isosceles
He ran into
trapezium.
the
Okay,
bed, spread his
isosceles
hands,
triangles
and
means the
knelt
two
down
side
before
in
him.
triangle that have two
Your
side will be
Highness, I
same.
think I can do it. I have a
So I hope you
wonderful
understand.
idea.
If you have any question
Just give
regarding
me a
this, you
few
can
more
ask me at
days
any time. Okay,
until the bed could
take care, have
see
a good
that the
day, see you.
counselor